Today, we'll uncover the refined solutions offered by the SEBO D4 Premium vacuum, designed for those who seek excellence in home care. 1. Pet hair and carpets. The SEBO D4 Premium, driven by a robust 1250-watt motor, ensures your carpets remain impeccably clean with its powerful suction. The electrically driven ET1 power head, designed for heavy-duty tasks, features 4 adjustable height settings that adapt effortlessly to all carpet types and floor surfaces. Simply adjust the height for thicker carpets, and a green indicator confirms the optimal setting, making it perfect for removing pet hair, whether minimal or in large amounts. 2. Reach and capacity. Experience seamless mobility with the D4 Premium's 52-foot operating radius and 40-foot cord, minimizing the need for frequent outlet changes. The automatic rewind feature ensures effortless transitions between rooms. With a generous 6-liter dust bag, you'll enjoy fewer interruptions as replacements are needed only once or twice a year. 3. The body. Protect your home and maintain elegance with the SEBO D4's air belt bumper, which guards against scuffs. The injection-molded plastic finish, with color infused throughout the material rather than just on the surface, resists scratches, ensuring a lasting, pristine appearance. 4. Sealing and filtration system. As one of the few vacuums equipped with a hospital-grade 3-stage filtration system, the D4 Premium captures 99.9% of microscopic allergens, significantly enhancing indoor air quality. Its sealed design effectively contains all particles, eliminating concerns about dusty air or odors during and after cleaning. 5. Comfort and advanced features. Enjoy unparalleled convenience with the D4 Premium's 320-degree rotating hose connector, preventing unnecessary twisting and ensuring effortless maneuverability. The adjustable telescopic wand and handle-mounted suction control allow precise cleaning across various surfaces, while the intuitive parking system and onboard accessory storage offer a streamlined, organized experience. Investing in the SEBO Airbelt D4 Premium Canister Vacuum is more than acquiring a cleaning device. It's embracing a sophisticated solution that elevates your home's cleanliness and enhances your living environment.